GearLight LED Flashlights, the perfect compact companion for your everyday and outdoor adventures. With the S1000 model, you get a super bright flashlight that effortlessly illuminates an entire room or outdoor space. Featuring 5 modes and a zoomable beam, it's ideal for camping, hiking, or just walking the dog at night. Crafted from military-grade aluminum, this flashlight is water-resistant and built to endure tough conditions. It's tough enough to withstand a 10-foot drop, making it virtually indestructible. Weighing only 0.32 pounds, it's small enough to slip in your pocket, backpack, or purse, ensuring easy access whenever needed. The $19.99 price tag includes 2 flashlights, battery holders, hand straps, and more. Everything you need for your next outdoor trip or emergency. With a 4.6-star rating from over 81,000 reviews, this compact, powerful flashlight is the perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts, home use, or anyone in need of reliable light. Blukar Flashlight Rechargeable, a compact yet powerful tool perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, and emergency situations. This 2,000-liter high-lumen flashlight offers a super bright beam with stable performance and low power consumption. Weighing just 95 grams, it's lightweight and portable, made from durable aluminum alloy for exceptional strength and resistance to drops. With 4 lighting modes, high, low, strobe, and SOS, and a zoomable design, you can easily adjust the beam to a spotlight for long distances or a floodlight for larger areas. The built-in 1800 mAh battery provides up to 16 hours of use, and with the included USB-C cable, recharging is quick and easy. At just $9.99, this flashlight has received an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 26,700 reviews. Users love its reliability, brightness, and versatility. Whether for daily use or emergencies, the Blukar flashlight is an essential tool for any situation. Coquimbo Rechargeable LED Worklight, the perfect gift for any handyman, car enthusiast, or outdoor lover. This 2-pack of versatile work lights is designed with a sturdy aluminum head and a hard rubber body that's anti-sweat and anti-slip, ensuring durability even in tough conditions. Weighing just 2.4 ounces each, these lights are compact, portable, and easy to store. With 5 lighting modes, high brightness, medium brightness, front light, red warning, and red strobe, these lights are perfect for any situation, from car repairs to BBQs. Plus, they feature a 360-degree rotating head and a magnetic base, so you can keep your hands free while working at night. At just $14.99, the Coquimbo Worklight has earned a 4.3 out of 5-star rating from over 21,700 reviews, with users praising its brightness, versatility, and ease of use. A must-have tool for anyone looking for convenience and reliability in their work. The GearLight LED Tactical Flashlights, compact, powerful, and built for tough situations. These mini flashlights are designed for everyday carry, providing high lumens for powerful illumination. Whether you need to light up an entire room or your backyard, the upgraded TACL LED ensures a wide beam for clear visibility. Crafted from military-grade aluminum, these flashlights are virtually indestructible, water-resistant, and can withstand drops from up to 10 feet. Weighing just 0.73 pounds, this $19.99 set includes 2 flashlights, 2 33-way battery holders, 2 battery tubes, 2 lanyards, and 2 belt clips. With a 4.6 out of 5 stars rating from over 21,089 reviews, it's a must-have for camping, power outages, roadside repairs, or emergencies. GearLight offers great value and reliability for any situation. Meet the LE LED pen flashlights from Lepro, the perfect companion for everyday carry and emergencies. These mini flashlights are made from durable aluminum, weighing just 29 grams, making them incredibly lightweight and easy to carry in your pocket or bag. The IPX4 waterproof rating means you can rely on them even in heavy rain or snow. With 3 lighting modes, high brightness, low brightness, and SOS mode, you can easily adjust based on your needs. Powered by 2 8AA batteries, not included, these flashlights offer versatility for various uses, from camping and emergency survival. At just $14.99 for a 2-pack, with a 4.4 out of 5 stars rating from over 8,936 reviews, these pocket-sized lights are a must-have for any situation. Meet the Nebo Torchy 1000 Lumen Pocket Flashlight, the perfect tool for any adventure. With a sleek black aluminum design, this flashlight is built to last, offering 5 different light modes to suit your needs: turbo, high, medium, low, and strobe. Whether you need maximum brightness for just 30 seconds or a steady low light for hours, the Torchy has you covered. Weighing only 2.2 ounces, it's ultra-portable and includes a removable clip for easy attachment to your hat, pocket, or belt. Made with a rugged, water-resistant, and impact-resistant anodized aluminum body, it's perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, and everyday carry. Priced at $25.97, this highly rated flashlight boasts a 4.4 out of 5 stars from nearly 5,972 reviews, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Introducing the Sunitact ST1476 Rechargeable Flashlight, a powerhouse with an impressive 990,000 lumens of brightness, perfect for emergencies, camping, or just everyday use. Powered by the advanced XHP 70.2 LED chip, this flashlight lights up a 120 square meter room and can focus on objects up to 1,000 feet away, about 3 football fields long. This aluminum flashlight is IP67 waterproof and built to last. It also features 5 light modes: high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS, and an adjustable focus to suit your needs. With USB rechargeable functionality, it runs for up to 12 hours on a single charge. The power indicator keeps you informed, and it can even charge your phone in an emergency. At just $29.99 and backed by a 4.5-star rating from over 4,525 reviews, the Sunitact ST1476 is your ultimate reliable companion. The Olight Imini 2 EDC Rechargeable Keychain Flashlight. This compact, everyday carry flashlight is perfect for anyone needing reliable light on the go. With its sleek black aluminum body, the Imini 2 delivers a powerful 50-lumen output, offering a wide and balanced beam for any task. Weighing just 19.5 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, so you won't even notice it on your keychain. The built-in USB plug makes recharging a breeze. Just plug it in for a full charge in about 60 minutes. Plus, the magnetic base allows you to attach it to any metal surface for hands-free lighting. Made in China and priced at just $19.99, the Olight Imini 2 has received stellar reviews, with an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from over 3,164 customers. It's perfect for emergencies or daily use, providing convenience, durability, and reliable performance wherever you need it. The Esgofo Flashlight High Lumens Rechargeable, your ultimate outdoor companion. With an astonishing 1 million lumens, this flashlight provides unparalleled brightness, lighting up objects up to 500 meters away. Whether you're hiking, camping, or in an emergency, this powerful light is designed to meet all your needs. Made from durable aluminum alloy, the flashlight is waterproof and built to withstand harsh weather conditions. It offers 8 to 12 hours of continuous brightness on a single charge, thanks to its USB-C rechargeable battery. The LED display keeps you informed of the battery life, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. With 5 adjustable modes, including SOS for emergencies, this compact handheld flashlight is easy to carry and perfect for any situation. Rated 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 2,873 reviews, it's reliable and built to last. At price $21.99, the Esgofo flashlight is the ideal tool for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. E-Shidal Solar Rechargeable Multifunction LED Flashlight, your go-to tool for any situation. Priced at $13.99, this flashlight offers a powerful 1,000 lumens brightness, reaching up to 2,600 feet on high mode. Perfect for camping, emergencies, or outdoor adventures, it features 4 modes, including an SOS flashing mode for emergencies. With a 1200 mAh battery, it provides 8 to 15 hours of lighting depending on the mode, and it also serves as a power bank to charge your phone in a pinch. The USB charging cable ensures fast charging, and the flashlight automatically turns off when fully charged for your safety. Crafted from high-strength ABS plastic, water-resistant and dust-proof, built to withstand tough environments. Weighing just 4.97 ounces, it's portable and comfortable to carry. With an average 4.4-star rating from over 2,600 reviews, this flashlight is reliable, versatile, and a must-have for all your lighting needs. The LBE Rechargeable Worklights, your go-to tool for any job. These LED work lights come with a magnetic base and a 360-degree rotating design, making them perfect for mechanics, car repairs, or outdoor tasks like camping. Made from durable ABS material, these lights are lightweight, weighing just 0.13 kilograms. With 5 lighting modes, including high brightness, red warning, and strobe red, you can adjust to any situation. The built-in 1200 mAh battery lasts up to 6 hours on low brightness, and it only takes 2 hours to recharge via the included Type-C charging cable. With strong magnetic power and a reversible hook, it's easy to position the light anywhere. Ideal for working in tight spaces or hanging in your tent, these lights are portable and easy to carry at just $15.99 for a 2-pack. Rated 4.3 stars by over 2,400 reviewers, it's a must-have for your toolkit. Introducing the ChildBot High Lumens Rechargeable Flashlight, the ultimate tool for outdoor adventures and emergencies. With an incredible 1 million lumens, this flashlight is 500% brighter than car lights, providing powerful illumination up to 3,640 feet. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in need of emergency lighting, this flashlight has you covered. Built with durable aluminum, it's both waterproof, IP67 rated, and shockproof, making it perfect for harsh conditions. The flashlight features a zoomable beam, and with 5 modes, including SOS for emergencies, it offers versatility for any situation. Equipped with a LCD digital display, you can easily monitor the battery level. The USB Type-C charging port ensures fast recharges in just 4 to 6 hours, and it even doubles as a power bank. For just $20.99, this tactical flashlight has earned an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 1,600 reviews. Don't miss out on this essential, reliable tool for all your lighting needs. Serjure Rechargeable Solar-Powered Flashlight, the ultimate 9-in-1 tool designed for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Built from durable aluminum, this flashlight combines 7 lighting modes, including a powerful SOS strobe and bright headlights. It's not just a flashlight, it's also equipped with a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, a 120 decibel alarm, and even a phone charger to keep you prepared for any situation. Weighing 0.48 kilograms, this compact flashlight is perfect for your car, backpack, or pocket. It's solar-powered and USB rechargeable, making it an eco-friendly and reliable choice for any emergency. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just ensuring car safety, this flashlight has you covered. With an average rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,200 reviews, users love its versatility and durability. At just $21.99, it's an affordable, essential tool for your next adventure or emergency situation. The LBE Rechargeable LED Flashlights, featuring an impressive 990,000 lumens of brightness, perfect for a range of outdoor activities. These high-performance flashlights use the upgraded P70.2 LED chip, capable of illuminating an area as large as a football field with a beam that reaches up to 3,280 feet. With 5 modes including SOS and strobe, you'll be ready for any situation. The 2,750 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 15 hours of use on low mode. And with the USB charging interface, you can power up from your car, power bank, or any USB device in just 3 to 5 hours. It also features a power display to let you know exactly how much charge is left. Built with IPX7 waterproof and shockproof aluminum alloy, it's perfect for any environment. For just $39.99 for a 2-pack, these durable, multifunctional flashlights are a must-have for any adventurer. Rated 4.5 stars by users, it's the ultimate tool for safety and convenience.